Okay. Hi. I'm here. I'm showing up for my sister. Mom, I'm doing. Let's go see. Come on. This is maybe. Well, see Maggie.
Maggie, tell Kinderbird Bebo it.
Maggie, can you say hi?
Say Bebo.
Maggie. Maggie, can you say hi to Sissy? Maggie, say hi to Sissy.
Forehead.
I wonder if Maggie.
Where his hair is. Where's his hair? Hair on your head.
Hair on your head.
Hair on your head. Tell him where his shoulders are.
Shoulders.
Shoulders. Let's do head, shoulders, knees, and toes.